Realme 14 5G, 12 GB RAM plus 14 GB extended, 512 GB memory and 50 MP main camera. Model RMX 5070. Inside the box, a good quality back cover. User manual. Quick guide. SIM tray eject tool. Now the mobile device. 45 watts power adapter and C-type charging cable. Bottom SIM tray and speaker. .50 megapixels and 2 megapixels rear camera. Flashlight and pulse light for notification. You can extend RAM as needed, but you should have free space in storage. Many pre-installed games. Wi-Fi setting. You get the option to display Wi-Fi number as on available networks. Device have Wi-Fi direct. NFC is available as well. Support fast charging and battery bypass, meaning while power cable connected, you can easily use the device without worrying about battery heat up. From 20 to 100% in 1 hour and 30 minutes approximately. Trinity Engine Performance Booster. Android 15 is pre-installed. Got 3 updates. Security update more than 1 GB. Android 16 update around 4 GB. Device got updated to Android 16 and Realme 7. Got again security and system update around 1 GB. Phone Manager has built-in internet speed test. Too many notification bar setting controls. Let's see the network and data section. This device is 5G supported, but my network carrier only provide 4G+. System details. Performance booster. Change to Flux from Trinity. This device is great. It's got a strong processor, a solid GPU, and a big battery. After a month, I can honestly say it's smooth, performs well, and has decent battery life.